But across the border, big charge by Imran Khan's sister, Uzma Khan. She's just met him in prison and she's come out all guns blazing, targeting the all-powerful Field Marshal Asim Munir. Now, Imran Khan is alive. He is in Adiala jail, but he's being kept in solitary confinement. The former Prime Minister is not being permitted to meet anyone, is what the sister says, and he's undergoing tremendous mental and emotional torture in solitary confinement. Remember, leaders of the ruling party were claiming that he has a gym to himself and he's eating desi murga or country chicken, and he has a special chef who's catering to all his needs. Sister Uzma says he's very, very angry, and Imran Khan has hit out at Pakistan's new military dictator, virtual dictator, Asim Munir, who's likely to be the chief of defense forces once that notification is signed. So Uzma Khan says Imran Khan appears very angry. He's being tortured mentally. He's been kept in solitary confinement. He's locked all day. No meaningful interaction with anyone. He's not being allowed to talk to anyone or raise questions about the treatment in jail. She says Imran Khan is blaming Asim Munir for his current situation. Now, will this add a layer to that political confrontation? We'll just listen into Uzma Khan. I'll get you more on that story.
सेहत अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है, मगर ज़िंदगी वो उन्होंने बड़े गुस्से में थे, कहते हैं कि हमें ये मेंटल टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं और सारा दिन कमरे में बंद, थोड़ा सा बाहर जब निकल सकते हैं, कोई किसी से कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, कहते हैं ये आसिम मुनीर जिम्मेदार है, ये सब कुछ हो रहा है। बाकी
Tonight, Pakistan is on edge. Imran Khan's sister Uzma finally permitted to meet him inside Adiala jail. But far from calming the streets, protests are only getting louder. From Pakistan's parliament to Islamabad High Court, to Rawalpindi's Adiala jail, to the streets defying Section 144. The demand is the same: free Imran Khan. Imran's sister Uzma Khan granted a rare meeting permission today, but it came with heavy barricading, riot police and layers of checkpoints.
सेहत अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है, मगर ज़िंदगी वो उन्होंने बड़े गुस्से में थे, कहते हैं कि हमें ये मेंटल टॉर्चर कर रहे हैं और सारा दिन कमरे में बंद, थोड़ा सा बाहर जब निकल सकते हैं, कोई किसी से कम्युनिकेशन नहीं, कहते हैं ये आसिम मुनीर जिम्मेदार है, ये सब कुछ हो रहा है।
His sister Alima Khan, flanked by others, pushed through Factory Naka only to be stopped at Gorakhpur checkpoint. Consultations between the sisters continued till the last minute, amid swirling speculations on Imran Khan's health and his very whereabouts. Since November 4th, no family member, no lawyer, no aide has met him inside Adiala jail. No image, no video, no official assurance of his well-being. And while Islamabad grapples with spiraling unrest, the political earthquake is shaking Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Multiple PTI ministers, including Mashal Yousafzai, warned the federal government any move to impose governor's rule in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa will be treated as a direct attack on democracy. A single question haunts Pakistan tonight: where is Imran Khan? And is his freedom even possible? With his sisters blocked, streets erupting, and an anxious nation demanding answers, Pakistan edges dangerously close to internal conflict. Bureau Report, India Today.